Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Cursor, signing in, and creating or loading a workspace so you can start coding immediately. Once done, choose the correct language and runtime, Node or Python, for the project template to scaffold files. Make sure to open a terminal split and set the project folder. This is where commands will run. Also confirm your Git remote early so commits push smoothly. These first steps get the environment ready and avoid interruptions when you move to editing and running code. Now focus on writing and verifying code. Open files in multi-pane view so you can edit while viewing the outline and terminal. Run code with Cursor's integrated runner and observe stdout and error traces in the debug panel. This tells you what to fix next. For logic errors, set breakpoints and use stepover and stepinto to watch variables change in real time. Once you identify a bug, edit, rerun, and repeat. This loop is efficient because the editor, runner, and debugger are tightly integrated. Finish by committing with concise messages and pushing to your remote so work is preserved. Before major refactors, take a snapshot or rely on local history to create a restore point. This makes recovery simple. If something breaks, check runtime and editor logs first, then revert to the snapshot or branch and create a minimal reproducible example to isolate the issue. One key troubleshooting tip: if the editor becomes unstable, restart the workspace and reopen the terminal. That often clears cached state and resolves transient problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.